Our customer Scott raised $2 million and they got thousands of new sign-ups in a few weeks. The problem is that they were receiving a lot of users that they couldn't keep up with the demand. So Scott reached out to me and be like, Jorge, can you guys please help us? And we did. Introducing SMASHSEND email automation. The easiest way to onboard, retain, and monetize your customers. Here's some really cool examples. Now Scott can send an onboarding sequence with 20 emails automatically, or send payment reminders when they're having issues with their credit card. Or for example, Scott can now notify their sales team whenever there is an opportunity that they cannot miss out. They are not longer spending so much work doing manual work, and now they are actually focusing on what matters, building their business. Are you ready to try this yourself and start saving hundreds of hours? Go to smashsend.com/automations and start for free. You can also put a comment and I will DM you the link with a free trial.